Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Asianzu Henry Duncan, and today is day 2 of my Python learning journey. If you haven't watched my previous video, I'm going to be linking it down in the description. We basically did the initial setup of the project, and we also looked into the print function and variables. In this video, I'm going to be looking into data types. I looked into also type conversion, string methods, basic operations, and then the input and output function. All the code that I wrote today and then the notes, the readme file, it will be available in my GitHub. I'll put the link in the description. So let's get right into the video. Yes, data types. Data types refers to the type of information that you are receiving in your variables, and we basically have 4 major data types. We have the int data type, which is stands for integer, the float, which is for numbers which have decimal points, then we have float, which is true or false, and then the string data type, which we explored also yesterday, my previous video. We have lists, and then lists are a collection of information, also a group of content. We have tuples and then dictionaries. Type conversion is used when we are converting values in a variable from one type to another. For the case of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, we are converting in its type to be a string 1, 2, 3, 4. I also looked into the string methods, and the major ones I studied were the myString, like the text is inside myString.upper, string.lower, then string.replace. String.upper converts the text into uppercase, then .lower converts every character in that same text to lowercase, then replace basically replaces the word inside the text into another value. For example, we're selecting the word world and removing it and replacing it with Python. I also looked at basic operators, where I got to learn about the ones that we mostly use in mathematics, the plus, minus, multiplication and division signs. But for multiplication and division, we use the slash and the time, the hash sign, instead of the usual X and then the dots up and the slash for division. We also have modulus, which is represented by the percentage sign. It's used to find the remainder. And then we have the comparison operators. We have these ones return either true or false, so we are finding out whether A is greater than B, which will give us a true, then A is less than B, which will give us a false, A is equal to B, it will give us a false, then A is not equal to B, that one will give us a true because A is not equal to B. Lastly, we have the input and output functions. So for this one, I just did something small. I created the name and age variables, and I used the input function to prompt a user to enter a value, basically asking them what is your name, then what is your age down here. And we use the print function to print out the value inside one line, and use of the f string. We say that your name is, then the variable name, and you are age years old, just like that. So this sums up all what I've studied today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.